Hey there, my name is Nicaso Rios, and I'm a retired U.S. Marine, a husband, a father, and a papa to 8 amazing grandkids. And I created this channel, Prosperity Game Plan, for one reason and one reason only: to help you build a real online income without tech overwhelm, without having to chase people in your DMs, and without wasting time on stuff that doesn't work. If you're between the age of 30 and 60 years old and you're ready to break free from the 9-to-5 grind, you're in the right place. Every week, I share videos that show you exactly how to make $1,000, $5,000, even $10,000 per month selling digital products online. Even if you've never done this before, even if you don't have a big audience, and even if you feel like you're starting late, because you're not too old, you're not too far behind, and it's not too late. So if you're ready to create time freedom, build wealth online, and leave a legacy you're proud of, then hit that subscribe button and grab your free blueprint right now at www.prosperitygameplan.com. It's the same plan I wish I had when I started, and now I want you to have it too. Welcome to Prosperity Game Plan, your plan for online income, freedom, and legacy.